Hey everyone, today I'm building this adorable gift with purchase called Pirate Ship Playground. A lot of cool features in this small set, so let's watch the build and see how this all came together. In the box there's 2 numbered bags of parts, 1 big plate, a slide molded element, and the instruction manual. There are 2 minifigs in this set. Bag number 1 has the first minifig. Pretty cute. I like the bandana. It's got a sword. Nice printed elements on the front and the back of the chest. Looks like a mini pirate. Looks like the first bag is going to be constructing the majority of the structure. Get our little pirate out of the way. Bunch of side-facing studs. Some hooks. More side-facing studs. I need 2 of these assemblies. Doesn't really look like much yet, does it? Putting these side-facing studs to good use. Printed brick, just a wooden board. These are quite common. This goes on these side-facing studs. Mirror image for this side. Now for the molded slide. Ladder to get to the slide. Another big panel. It definitely looks like a playground. There's some climbing steps here and a climbing wall on this side. Now for this big shape to go in the middle. These flat 4x2s will cover up that gap between the curved piece and the straight piece. Make that transition look a little bit better. And there's the end of bag 1. Some yellow flat bricks for sand. Got some blue for the water. The panel details here just make it look like the bottom of the pirate ship. Got our nice minifig, slide. Then on the back, 2 climbing features, a climbing wall and some steps that lead up to the upper level. And then of course a ladder leading up to the slide. Next up is bag 2, where we'll add some play features and more detail to the pirate ship. So in bag number 2, there's another minifig. Same size minifig, it's one of the smaller ones depicting a child, so it's got the short legs on it. Same pattern on the shirt, but different color. This one's blue instead of red. Like the hat, it's more like an admiral's hat or captain's hat. And of course a sword. Good detail front and back. Only one expression on his face. And part of the accessories is this small treasure chest with some gold bars and gemstones inside. There's also some plant detail. What looks to be a small water monster like an octopus, and some play features in here. Let's get going on bag number 2. Tiny golden frog. This is going to be the front of the ship, I believe. Small subassembly. Side-facing studs. Big barrel for the top. This is the mast of the ship. Now there's some climbing rungs on the one side. That'll be facing backwards. 2 more rings. Frames the slide nicely. Movable steering wheel. Some sails. 2 large blue gears, which when sitting on this element here, they can freely rotate. Subassembly. More side-facing studs. Couple printed bricks. Some eyes. Interesting rounded dome piece. Translucent water element squirting out of its mouth. And a couple tentacles. So not quite an octopus, just some sort of sea creature. Kind of cool looking. This gets installed in the middle of this rotating element. The minifig out of the way for a minute. And a crab. Some nice big palm tree leaves. A little hard to push into place. This tree goes over here on this pin. That's it. Put the treasure chest here. There are 2 pirates. I'll put one up here. And we're done. Isn't this just adorable? I love the variety of colors. There's also a little bit of functionality in here. By turning this gear, you can rotate the sea monster. So since this is a playground, it's probably just meant to be like spraying water all over everybody. Cool treasure chest with some treasure inside. Crab, our 2 minifigs. Good looking palm tree. Some other flowers down below. There's a railing here. Pirate ship itself, the front. These are supposed to be like windows for like the cannon ports. Nice ring for where the slide is. And then on the back, some more play features. Just a ladder here, a ladder going into the slide, and a climbing wall on this side. It even looks like the characters could climb up here and go into the crow's nest up top. Although that'd be pretty dangerous for a playground. I'm going to move the treasure chest out of the way for a minute, so I can show one of the minifigs going down the slide. I wish the slide actually was a little bit longer. It would have been nice for the slide to go out to like here. It's a very short slide. So you can definitely play with this a little bit. Make it look like they're climbing up the wall. You could even attach up here. Make it look like he's climbing. Move the sea creature around. Play with the treasure chest. Actually move the treasure chest over here, away from the slide. Overall, just a really charming set. And pretty good for a gift with purchase. Good variety of parts, good variety of colors, 2 minifigs, some gears. All in all, really nice. What do you think of the set? Please let me know in the comments. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this build. If so, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.